This is story of Jenny. Jenny worked as an account manager in a consulting firm at Shanghai. She worked from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. 6 days a week. She dreamed about weekend. She loved shopping, but she hardly get time for shop on weekend because she had other important works to do. So Jenny mostly do shopping online. She check out the latest style from her favorite KOL or influencer, and she select one T-shirt that she feels that look cool on her. She order it, and now she's excited for delivery. So actually, problem start from here. She try this dress on her, it don't look cool on her, and also it don't fit. So now Jenny is angry, and this is not the story of one Jenny. There are so many Jenny who face this problem on daily basis. In fact, more than 60% clothes that are bought online are returned. In fact, the cost of return is 3 to 5 times more than the original shipping cost. We are trying by, we help buyer like Jenny to shop with confidence. We fix up problem of return for e-commerce. Our machine learning technology plug in with fashion e-commerce portals, and we help buyers to try dress before they buy on online virtual trial solution. Let's see how it works. So user can try any dress. She just need to upload her selfie and put basic body measurements. And here's the magic. Her full body model is generated. She can go to menu and choose any dress, and she can wear it instantly. She can also check fittings. For example, sometimes she may like loose fitting, sometimes she may like tight fitting, so she can choose according to fitting. She can also do mix and match. For example, here she want to try this top with different skirts, different jeans, so she can choose the best fit for her. She can even generate a video and also apply makeup and accessories like sunglasses and video. So fashion e-commerce is like a $633 billion market in revenue, and out of that $125 billion is spent on technological solutions like virtual try-on, fitting, handling returns, and customer engagement. It is almost 20% of this market, and realistic try-on solution can help these companies to save this money. Try and buy is better because it's easy to set up, and also it produces realistic body model and realistic clothes, while competitors show model look like bad. Also, competitors need engineers and instruments to generate virtual virtual model of dresses, and it costs around $1,000 per SKU. While in our case, our technology generate it automatically, and we can license it for just $4. So it's economical. So hundreds of companies tried to solve this problem before us, but they failed. Here's the example of Amazon Body Labs. So it don't look like real, and it don't look like wearing in reality how we look. Other examples are from eBay and Microsoft. So why our technology is path breaking? Because it show you exactly how you look in reality. We can generate video and images. Our technology is patent protected. We have applied for 70 patents across the world, and we have already get granted 8 patents in US. I'm Nitin. I'm founder and CEO of TrendBuy. Before starting this company, I worked for Microsoft Research Lab, and I am inventor of 70 patents, and I was among the top 100 innovators in the world. Rahul, before joining us, successfully exited from a tech startup. Vishal worked as an investment banker with the reputed bank in London, and Nikki is our product head. We have other team members from who work with famous brand and e-commerce portals, so they understand this problem of these companies very well. So after developing this path-breaking technology, just imagine who trusted on us. Who is your first client? It's none other than the leader in retail, Walmart. So Walmart, after trying different solutions in-house and trying solution of different company, Walmart India, Jabong, tested on us, and we plugged in our solution there. And here the result. They found the users are spending 6 times more time on this portal, because now they can try on virtual dress on them, they can check mix and match, they can check fitting, and even they can ask from AI-based fashion advisor whether this dress look cool on me or not. So their sales conversion increased by 7 times. With this success, we are in process to plug in this solution with other major fashion e-commerce portal, including Rocket Internet, Stellora in Southeast Asia. We are also, we have already scanned more than 30,000 SKU for 100 brands.